Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Crispy outside, buttery inside. This tea time biscuit just melts in the mouth. One bite and you'll want it with every cup of tea. In a bowl add 100 grams of unsalted butter, half teaspoon of oil, mix it well. I'm adding half cup of powdered sugar. You may add powdered sugar as per your taste. Mix it well until it is smooth. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 1/4 cup of milk powder. Mix. Add flour and a pinch of salt. I'm adding in 2 batches and mixing after every addition. If you like this video, do give it a like, share with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Add milk as required and form a smooth dough. I'm using a 6-inch square baking pan greased with clarified butter and lined with parchment paper. Transfer the dough into it. Spread it evenly and press. I divided into half. I'm cutting lines by keeping gaps of less than 1 inch. I'm pricking with a skewer to make the design. I baked in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 23 minutes. Then I cut again along the visible lines which I had cut earlier. Then I baked again for 10 minutes. We want the biscuits to be just light golden in color once baked. When baking for the first time, check after 10 minutes if the biscuits are ready, as timings and temperatures of various ovens may differ. It has cooled down. Whether it's a rainy evening, a busy morning, afternoon tea time, or just time for a break, these are my go-to. I love how they look, pale golden with little holes and a delicate crumb. I'm so glad that I made them today. This homemade biscuit just melts in your mouth. They are soft, buttery, and not too sweet, perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Some people say biscuits like this remind them of their childhood. I think they remind me to pause and enjoy quiet moments too. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy baking and thanks for watching.